Hello friends, today we are going to learn about clock in different manner, how to measure the angle between two hands of a clock. Here the time is 3 o'clock and 5 minutes. Time is 3 o'clock 5 minutes. Before that we must remember the previous things what are given in the last video, that is minute hand, speed of minute hand, six degree per minute, and speed of our hand half minute per minute, half degree per minute, or we can say it is 30 degree per hour, or we can say it is 30 degree per hour. Next is when minute hand moves 360 degree, our hand moves only 30 degree. In other words, minute hand moves 60 minutes, then our hand moves 5 minutes. That is, minute hand gains 55 minutes over our hand, over our hand in 1 hour. Okay. Now we are going to find out the angle at 3. We start from 12 o'clock. Where angle between our hand and minute hand is 0. After that, our hand has passed 3 hours. Now we know that 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle traced by our hand is equal to 3 into 30. 1 hour is equal to 30, therefore 3 into 30, that is equal to 90 degree angle. Now speed of minute hand is and 0.5 minutes, that is 90 plus 2.5 degree, that is equal to 92.5 degree is the angle traced by our hand. Minute hand has traced Here only 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is equal to what? Speed of minute hand is 6 degree per minute. That is equal to 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 6. That is equal to 30 degree. Now which one is bigger? 92.5 is bigger. And therefore angle between the clocks is angle between the hands is 92.5 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to 62.5 degree. I am going to take another example. What is the angle made by the hands at time 6:45, or I will take rather even integer 6:50. Now add 50. These are minutes and these are hours. So angle traced by our hand is equal to 6 hours into 30 plus 50 minutes into half. That is equal to 180 plus 25, that is equal to 205 degree. Now minute hand. Traced by minute hand. Now it has traced 50 minutes after coming to 12. So 50 minutes, its speed is 6 degree per minute. That is equal to 6 into 50. What is it? 300. Which one is bigger? 300 is bigger. 20 is 5. So angle between the hands of clock is 300 minus 205, that is equal to 95 degree. Did you get the answer? Next question is, at what time between 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock our hand and minute hand will make a right angle with each other? Now let's draw the hands. First place 5 o'clock. We know that 5 o'clock it will be like this. Here there are 25 minutes. How many minutes? 25 minutes. We know that 25 minutes is equal to 25 into 30. 25 minutes. That is, this angle is 5 into 30. That is equal to 150. That we have to subtract 60 degree. For 60 degree movement of minute's hand, the time should be, for 60 degree movement of minute hand, it should be on at 2, that is 10 minutes. But when it is going to 10 minutes, our hand will be going to 5 degree ahead. It is not going to stop at the same position. So now the angle will not be exactly 90 degree, because 10 minutes, half degree, 5 degree back will be there, and therefore this minute hand should move somewhat further. Minute hand should move somewhat further. How much further should it move? We know that minute hand gains 55 minutes in 1 hour or in 60 minutes. How much minutes will it gain in 10 minutes? That much it has to move forward. So in 10 minutes, how much it will be gaining? That is, it is equal to 60 upon 55 into 10. That is equal to 120 upon 11. That gives us 40. What is the answer? Look at. So here you will get 10 minutes and 10 complete minutes and 10 by 11 minutes at that time. Therefore, this much space minutes hand will require to go ahead, so that it will make 90 degree angle. But however, this is also not exactly correct answer. As minute hand moves 10 by 11 minutes ahead, our hand will move 20 by 11 minutes ahead, 5 by 11 minutes ahead. Again, as that is added to, suppose minute hand 5 by 11 minutes, again our hand will again move ahead by half the degrees, and therefore we take this much angle and this time, that is at 5 past 10 minutes, 10 by 10 integer 10, 11 minutes, our hand and minute hand will make 90 degree angle. Okay, that is here. Complete 1 minute, it will be 6 degree, and we have to trace only 5 degrees. But as minute hand moves 5 degree by 5 degree, our hand will move somewhat further, and therefore answer comes not 5 by 12, 5 by 6, it comes out to be 10 by 11. Is there only one time that it will make a 90 degree angle with our hand? There will be another time also where it makes 90 degree with our hand. Now here, we suppose that our hand is exactly 5. Then we have to move 3 digits ahead to find the another 90 degree angle. Next case is minute hand is at 8 o'clock, 8, and our hand is ahead of 5. And now again, whatever distance covered by our hand, we have to find in terms of minute hand. Did you get it? Now at 8, when minute hand is at 8, it has traversed or traced 40 minutes. Now again we will find what is the gain of our hand over minute hand over our hand in terms of these 40 minutes as done in earlier case. We know that minute hand gains 55 minutes over 60 minutes. In 60 minutes over our hand. Therefore, how much will minute hand required will gain in 40 minutes? Again, it is 60. How much time will it gain? 60 into 40 upon 55. Again 12 upon 11 into 40. What is 12 for the? 48. 480 upon 11. That will be 4. Carry 4. So 3. And remaining 7. So point, or we can say 7 by 11. So add 5 hour 43 and 7 by 11 minutes. The hour hand and minute hand will make 90-degree angle. In last case, I have told some cases where which we have to skip. Why we have to skip? From this we will be able to find whether our hand and minute hand will make right 90 degree with each other between any duration or not. Exactly. Okay. Suppose times are given like that. How many times minute hand and our hand make 90 degree from 520 to 535. So 520 to 535, it will not make any right angle. Or from 5 o'clock to 5:35, it will make only one time. 5 o'clock to 5:40, again it will make only one right angle. From 5 to 5:45, it will make two right angles. Did you get my point? Okay, bye.